Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we are coming up with new videos every week. In this video, I'll show you how you can interface a LDR light dependent resistor with your Arduino. LDR is a analog sensor, or you can say it will be interfaced with an analog pin, and depending upon the light, it generates particular amount of resistance, and we'll check how you can play with that resistance and control some LED and so on. So let's get started. So we'll start with the code. What we'll do is we'll read the value of the analog pin, and then we'll control a LED depending upon the resistance. So we'll define the LED pin, the onboard LED on pin number 13, and LDR pin on A0. Now coming to setup, we will define the mode over here. So the LED pin will be output because we will control, and the LDR pin will be input because we will read. So that's all for the setup. Now coming to the loop, what we'll do over here is we'll define the LDR value and analog read the LDR pin. We need to check that value as well, so we'll define serial so that we can check the value, or you can say the value of resistor depending upon the intensity of light, and then we'll just print it over here, LDR value, and then delay so that we can see the value, and then we'll control it. So I'll just write if LDR value is greater than on something, we'll define that later. So what we'll do over here is we'll just serial println intensity is low, or light intensity is low, and then we'll digital write the LED pin to high. The same for else, serial.println light intensity is normal, or you can say high. So we'll digital write LED pin as low. So it basically means if the intensity of light is less, we'll turn on the LED. If it is more, we'll switch the LED back to off. So we'll just save this LDR tutorial and check with the connection diagram and understand how the connections are done. Now, as mentioned earlier, this is an analog sensor, and you need to connect the sensor in such a way that the pull down mechanism or pull down resistor concept will be used. Now this is explained in my earlier videos, so you just go and check the videos. What I have done is I have connected a 5 volt directly to one pin of the sensor. The other pin is connected to the analog pin, and via resistor it is connected to ground. So these are the connections. Now the code is saved. We'll just compile the code. Yeah, so save and compile it again, because you cannot define any value over here as of now. The code is compiled. We'll just comment the code and check the output after the connections are done. So we'll save this code. Now let's move on with the connections. A resistor which will be connected to ground. So 5 volts from Arduino pin to one pin of the LDR, the pin which you have to read over here to analog pin A0, and the pin which you have to connect to ground will be over here on ground. So we are done with the connections. Now we will just connect and upload the code. So the code is uploaded, and you can see the output we are getting is somewhere around less than 100.
So as you
Now
can
I'll
see,
just
the output we are
put
getting
some
over
light
here
on
is
it,
less than 100, which
and
means it is dark.
you can see the value
So as
increases
you
when
can
light
see,
falls
when
on
I put
it.
some
So you
light
can just make a
flash, so the value
understanding from here
increases. So
that
you can
when
just understand,
light falls,
make a
the
basic
value is
understanding
high,
over here that if the
and
value
when light
is
is
high,
off, the
you
value
get-
is low. So with that we can just make some changes in our code, which will say that if the value is less than 100, so it's dark, and intensity is low, so the LED pin should turn high. So we'll just upload this code and again check the output. So the code has uploaded. Now as you can see, the intensity is low and the LED is on. I'll just put some flash and you can see the LED turned off. Again on, again off. So in this way you can interface the LDR sensor with your Arduino. I hope you have understood this video. The detailed description and the code and the circuit diagram, everything will be mentioned in the website www.electrofun.co.in. The link will be mentioned in the description below. Till then, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.